Good afternoon. Haven't done a little drive chat for a couple of times now. But anyway, so today's job, didn't film it on Thursday night. Thursday night I had two guys come round who did some pest control for me. So we got 4 rats. So I said I didn't film it or nothing like that because it's quite vile, disgusting. So I thought I won't share it. But if you want me to, obviously I won't do the shooting part of it, but I'll show you what's going on. But let me know if you would like to see it again, because there's bound to be more rats. So I've got a, you know that like triangle run in the duck pen, well that has to go because obviously the rats are just literally nesting under there. I know there's still a couple there that you didn't get, but we was up there from about 5:30 and we didn't leave till about 7:30. So it was a couple hours. Yeah, it was a couple hours we was up there. They had 177 air rifles, but it wasn't the epoxy little, you know, it had CO2 gas and a scope. So we got 4 rats because I knew where they were because I've been seeing them. So, and then another thing that I'm in my new truck. Don't know if everyone saw it on my water video, but I didn't mention it. You know, my new truck, 2 years newer than my other one, less mileage, more power, because the other one was really sluggish and I was just struggling everywhere. You know, now I had hole in my fuel tank as well, so just wasting money, literally just pouring diesel on the floor. So I'm in my new truck. It's got 110. It's silver. Got the horrible leather seat still, but I can live with that. So I'm just changing bits over at the minute on that. Yeah, so there's a lot more oomph in it, if you know what I mean. But yeah, Louise's on her way. And she's gonna help me. Basically we've got to dismantle it, the whole thing. So here's this house we're going to dismantle. You can see where the rats have been coming out there. So yeah, the 3 of them from here and 1 was from over the chicken house over there. So yeah, so we're just basically going to clean all the area up here. And I'm going to time lapse it. Made some good progress. House is gone. A load of weeds. And then we got the Here's where all the rats were hiding, under here. I don't know if you can see, but it's very uneven. I will, over the next few days, I'll level it out, put some powder on it maybe, and then let it grow. It won't take long to grow. Yeah, that's the chicken house gone. And most of the weeds just need to go out. Plastic. Yeah. Warm as well. Right, so this is the end result. This is a couple of days later. It's raining now. But yeah, looks proper good. Just need to level it out a little bit and myself level a little bit of the rain. Put some grass seed on and let it grow. So I've just cornered it away from the ducks a minute. Look. So they've still got quite a big area anyway. Yeah, it looks pretty, it's very good actually. I'm very impressed. But I am thinking about making a lean-to, like a lean-to sort of thing, and then I can get rid of that house because they don't really go in that house, and then I'll just make it, you know, it shouldn't be just somewhere dry and shady to go. I know they got the tree for shade anyway. It just makes extra shade, and also it will make it will collect water as well in the winter. That's the main thing, the water issue up here. But yeah, that's it. Right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, ring the little bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.